We do cultivation of hybridomas in bioreactors, and the hybridomas end up in those clinical laboratory tests used for the monitoring of patients with cancer. We are very motivated in our research and committed in aiding society within the cancer therapy field.
We are seeing a growing demand for our products, and we need to scale up our cell cultivation in order to produce enough amount of antibodies. We have chosen to go by multiple-use bioreactors because it's better for the environment. This limits the risks of prolonged delivery times. The difficulties with multiple-use bioreactors is that there is a need for extensive washing after each cultivation. And earlier we did the washing manually, by hand. Fujirebio was to use the bioreactor wash rack that Getinge offers. This bioreactor wash rack saves us time and also make it easier for the personnel and enable us to have a standardized washing process. Foremost, the experience is that the bioreactor parts become much cleaner in the dishwasher. Now we can reproduce the same cleaning process over and over again compared to the manual washing, and that is very valuable for us.
So far we've had a great experience collaborating with Getinge. We feel that they are very proactive and always eager to find solutions if needed. The partnership is very important to us.